Hello, I'm gonna be playing with my dog. Rocky! Come here, Rocky! Wait, you'll see. Rocky! Rocky!
Now, these two defensive tackles are just wearing out
Rocky!
inside. Antonio Garay, too much to handle inside right now.
Second and 10. To the outside of White. First half of White to the 40-yard
Oh my God!
Slow in getting up. 16 yards on 12 carries.
I was just kidding.
In all the interviews we've ever done with Peyton Manning, did you ever hear him say anything like we said the other night, like, we can't run the ball against these guys? I mean, he knew going into the game.
Oh my
We're
God!
going to try and spread them out, run a little bit nickel, but
Oh my God!
I've never seen him.
No!
Just for a moment, Kaysen and Weddle right there.
He left. Bye.